What's up? Are you worried about the 2023 recession? What if I told you that this could be your chance to make some money? Yes, you heard it right. While most people think a recession is bad news for investors, smart investors know that it can actually be a great opportunity. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the 2023 recession to your advantage and make the most of your investments. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk about what a recession is and how it affects the stock market. A recession is a period of time when the economy isn't doing so well. People tend to lose their jobs, and companies tend to make less money. This can lead to a drop in the stock market, which can be scary for investors. However, if you know what you're doing, a recession can actually be a great time to buy stocks. As one of the most successful investors in the world, Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful." This means that when everyone else is selling their stocks, you should be buying. This is because when the economy eventually gets better, the companies you invested in will do better, and their stock prices will go up. This is known as the buy low, sell high strategy. But how do you know which stocks to buy during a recession? One strategy is to look for companies that are recession-proof. These are companies that provide products or services that people will continue to need no matter what's happening in the economy. For example, healthcare, utilities, and consumer staples are all recession-proof industries. Another strategy is to invest in companies that have a strong balance sheet. This means that they have a lot of money in the bank and don't owe too much money to other people. These companies are more likely to make it through a recession and come out stronger on the other side. You can also invest in something called dividend-paying stocks. These are stocks that pay a portion of their profits to their shareholders on a regular basis. Not only do these stocks give you a little bit of money every so often, but they also tend to do well during a recession. According to a study by Hartford Funds, dividend-paying stocks outperformed non-dividend-paying stocks by an average of 1.7% per year during recessions. But what if you're not sure which stocks to invest in? One option is to invest in something called an index fund. This is a fund that invests in a bunch of different stocks all at once. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket, and you can still make money even if one of the stocks in the fund isn't doing so well. Index funds are also a good choice because they tend to have lower fees than other types of funds. So, there you have it. The 2023 recession doesn't have to be something to fear. Instead, it can be a great opportunity to make some money if you know what you're doing. Remember, investing is about time in the market, not timing the market. So, start investing today and watch your money grow over time. As Jim Cramer, the host of Mad Money on CNBC, once said, "In the stock market, the most important organ is the stomach. It's not the brain. So don't let fear or panic drive your investment decisions. Instead, stay calm, do your research, and invest wisely. And if you're ever unsure about anything, don't be afraid to talk to a financial advisor who can help you make the best decisions for your situation."